morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. Happy holidays to everyone who's celebrating, and hope you guys are enjoying. Today is the 26th. It's December 26th, and I'm up still in my PJs and I'm doing my makeup, so I'm midway in my makeup because I'm going to be taking some pictures, Christmas morning pictures type thing, even though it's the next day. As I said in the Christmas vlog, the day didn't start off as awesome as I would like, but we're gonna do it today. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting ready, and it's nothing crazy, just gonna do a little makeup, take some pictures in the pajamas by the tree, and yeah, just for memory. So stay tuned, guys. And today is the day we're finally cooking that turkey. Okay, so you're gonna see that in another vlog. That won't be in this vlog, but stay tuned. Okay, guys, my makeup is complete. Oh, I haven't done my edges as yet, but once I do that, then I'm good. I have my little cute earrings. I love it. But yeah, so light beat on the face, not much, and I want it to be as natural as possible. Try to be as natural as possible, but I'm in my PJ and my red socks, so that's all we're wearing. I just put my shoes to the side, and let's take some pictures. I might have to just blend my neck a little more, but it's not gonna be in a close-up picture, but I might share some of the pictures at the end of this video. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, join the family. We're welcoming over here. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. So we clean and wash our wings and we cut them. So now we're going to season, complete seasoning. Garlic powder, red pepper flakes, pepper, full of pepper, and then we have some curry, of course. Can't do curry without the curry. And sea salt. Here we have our herbs. We have some thyme, carrot, onion, and sweet pepper. This is optional. Don't have to use that. Oh, I need garlic. I'm gonna put some garlic in it. You normally cook your curry with ginger too. I don't have any ginger. Man, still gonna be good. We're just gonna add some garlic to this, and then we should be good. We're gonna add the potatoes, you know, once you're close to finish cooking, so it's not too soft. So that's what I need to cut up, some garlic and potato. Do you guys taste this, y'all? Season? I do. Let's get the garlic and the potatoes. Only need one potato. Probably I might just use two of these, 2 cloves. checking on the turkey. I already started pouring the juices back on top of her. So now I'm gonna cook it without the foil for a few minutes. But she's basically done. She's looking good, guys. Nice and juicy. Okay, everything else basically finished. Our rice is done. She's looking really good. Tastes good. Our wings are finished. Curry wings. It's been finished for a while. But that's finished. Okay, prepping our veggie. I already put some salt and garlic powder. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of water and add some butter. Should be good. This is the onion and sweet pepper for the potato salad. Okay, we let our potato cool down for a bit. And we're gonna make the salad. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead, add some salt, add some garlic powder, and we're gonna add our mayo. Some people add mustard. I don't like mustard in mine. Now we're gonna add our eggs, our boiled eggs. The egg yolk I could add directly to the salad because that's going to be easy to break down. But these, the egg white, we're going to cut it up. Just cut it up, no specific size. Take it out now. Add some mayo, add some more mayo.
and then I tasted, so it needed more. Okay, I did add some more mayo and more seasoning. Now it's good. We're gonna put it in the fridge. The turkey is finally out of the oven. Whew. She's nice and golden. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, in the kitchen all day. Just took the turkey out. I'm about to go bathe while the turkey rests for a few minutes. It's supposed to rest for like an hour or something like that, but she getting eat right now. So I go bathe and then we will share everything and eat. So I'm not sure if this is the end of this vlog, but thanks for watching so far. Like, share, and subscribe. Food is finally finished. I am so hungry. Look at my turkey. Ooh. Where the fork is. She nice. I have turkey all up in here, but jerk turkey. I'm gonna enjoy this, and yes, I'm gonna eat everything.